Welcome to BlueCart. In this video, we'll walk through the order desk functionality in BlueCart. This video is designed to be stopped at any point to complete the given tasks. I will include a pause after each task to allow you to complete each step. In this video, we will cover how to use the order desk functionality, how is a client's pricing structure displayed in BlueCart, how to place an order on behalf of a client. To get started, navigate to the Enter Order tab. This will display a list of all your customers, organized alphabetically. From here, you can either scroll through the list or use the search bar to find a specific customer quickly. Once you've selected a customer, you'll see a list of products that this customer has access to, along with the specific pricing assigned to them. This feature eliminates the guesswork when processing orders. You no longer need to manually check pricing structures for each customer when they call or email, as BlueCart automatically applies the correct pricing for you. The order desk functions similarly to any e-commerce platform. You can enter the desired quantity for each product, add items to the cart, and even include messages or notes at the product level. For example, if an item requires special handling or delivery instructions, you can easily add those details here. You can also add notes at the order level and select different units associated with each product as needed. When you're ready to check out, you'll see all the orders you've created for your various customers. If there are any delivery minimums or specific delivery date requirements, these will be clearly highlighted. At this point, you can make any necessary adjustments, such as increasing the order quantity to meet minimum requirements. Once everything is finalized, simply select the delivery date and confirm your selection. After confirming all the details, you can proceed to place the order, completing the process seamlessly. This would be a great time to pause the video and complete the previous step. If you still have any questions regarding the order desk functionality, please email support@bluecart.com. Thank you and have a great day.